Okay, so editor hover delay controls the delay in milliseconds after which the hover is shown. And this option just shows you the hover after that given a number of milliseconds. And you need to stop your cursor when in order for the hover to show. So if I keep moving my cursor over a particular setting or something that has a hover, it's not going to show up. But if I stop for 300 milliseconds, it shows up. And this is just a way for you to control how long you have to wait for the hover to show. If you set a really low value, it becomes annoying because you'll see these flashes of hovers all over the place. If you set it too high, it's also annoying because you have to wait quite a long time for the hover to show. Actually, I think 300 is pretty spot on. So I would leave this one in its default value.